Por ti mi corazón palpita, siempre he sido tu chiquita. ¿Cuántos te amos van ahorita? Yo ya perdí la cuenta.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, NoMediocre Crew. It's my birthday, yes?
Happy birthday!
Yes, it is, and I am waking up in Punta Cana, guys. So you saw that we arrived yesterday, but we didn't do much because of how tired we were, jet lagged and all. But yes, guys, I am so excited about today, and because it's my birthday, as I said before, and God has granted me the opportunity to see another one. So I have to be thankful for life, of course. I'm going to do a video so you guys can see exactly how I spent it. But so far, guys, the treatment and everything here at Grand Palladium, Punta Cana has been tremendous. Yes, guys, I basically feel like the best birthday ever. Punta Cana has been like on my list for so long, and finally come through, guys, finally. So I'm just gonna have the best day ever, guys, and enjoy it to the max. So guys, stay tuned for the other videos which will follow, showing everything that I do in Punta Cana. Oh, by the way, let me stop a video because Moise is still sleeping. So see you later, guys. Oh, if you haven't subscribed us yet, hit that subscribe button down below. Share this video, like the video, and leave a comment. Bye now, guys. Mwah. So this is the bus that we're going on, guys, to go and see the monkeys. Are you ready, Moi Moi?
Yeah, I'm ready. Ready. Ready like Freddy.
Yeah, man, let's do it.
Hi.
Monkeyland.
James. Excuse me, before all, please, do you need to go to the restroom?
Monkeyland. Yep, yeah.
As you already know, my name is George.
Hi,
George.
Hola, George.
I'm your tour guide. Okay? The next stop, the Monkeyland, the zip line, is 45 to 50 minutes away from here. Along the way, I would like to show you the coffee and cocoa bean plantation. Along the way, I would like to show you different types of bananas that we have here. By the way, we have 7.
Oh.
Even today, let me show you the only one type of banana which tastes like ice cream.
Wow.
Yes, ice cream banana. Let me show you today different kinds of spices that we have here. By the way, have you ever seen the cinnamon tree?
No.
We are going to see it and touch it.
Ah.
Also, let me show you the paprika, clove, different kinds of spices. Also, I would like to show you different kinds of fruits, like pineapple, passion fruit, mango, and papaya. Ladies, please, let me show you today the only one, orchid, the flower, orchid, edible.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's edible.
Yes, an
Nice.
edible orchid.
Ooh. Interesting.
About drink, for you. Down here I have water, Coke, Sprite. Up there, coffee and chocolate.
Ah.
Can't wait to try this.
About the monkey line, I have a good news.
Yes.
We are the first group this afternoon. Which have the opportunity to feed the monkeys.
Yay.
They're hungry.
Don't be afraid. If the monkey, when they see you with the fruit, they jump all over you. I'm talking about over 20 over each of you.
Hungry
Oh my
monkeys.
gosh.
So please hold the fruit with both hands because they are going to move over you. It's not the opportunity to touch them. Okay?
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, here next to me is our driver.
Hi, driver.
Hi, driver.
His name is Freddy.
Hola, Freddy.
Freddy, 11 years driving for us. Today, 11 years later, he is the best one.
So we'll be there in 30 minutes.
In 30 minutes. That's Freddy. We are the number 22nd largest island in the world. Yes. We are between the Atlantic Ocean and the Caribbean Sea. This island is divided. It's divided into two countries.
Haiti and Dominican Republic.
Dominican Republic, Republic of the Haiti. By the way, Haiti means high land or high mountain. All the monkeys have long tail. So please watch your step. Okay, because they are going to be everywhere.
Yeah, don't step on the monkey's tail. You hear that, Moya?
Yep.
Step on it.
My friends, once again, the monkey line, you are the first group. So please don't be afraid if over 20 monkeys jump all over you. It weighs 1 pound each. Okay, please hold the fruit with both hands. Okay?
Acuerdo.
When they eat it all, you have the opportunity to take pictures with them. Look at coffee beans. Look at coffee beans.
Oh yeah.
Coffee beans. Look. And when they turn a red color, mean ripe. Coffee is from Ethiopia.
Alright, we are at Monkeyland now.
Yeah.
Yeah. We want to see the monkeys yet, but we're currently in the souvenir shop. Oh look, let me show you guys.
There are souvenir monkeys.
Yes. So some little trinkets right here. Oh look, the monkeys that you're talking about. Yeah. Cute, right?
Let's see how much they cost.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
15,
Pesos?
15 dólares.
Dollars. Gracias. $15 for one, guys. And a hat that you can buy to remember that you visited Dominican Republic.
And there's some Punta Cana shirts over here.
Some Punta Cana shirts. Oh, nice.
Let's hang out.
Oh, I would love one of these shirts. This one, this red one. And you can get the blue one, Moy. Oh, them now no blue.
If I use my favorite color, means say everything. I'll take yellow because yellow would make me pop. And here are some cups over here.
They have nice souvenir cups. I like this neon green.
Yeah, it's very
Punta Cana.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So there you have it, guys. So if you come.
We can actually the people on the liquor.
Oh yes, yes. Let's go to the liquor section. Is this the one that we got at the hotel? This one?
It has no, because the one at the hotel says
Santa Domingo? Oh. It looks similar though. The bottle looks similar. It would be nice souvenirs to take home. A bottle or two.
But guys, we go find a local place, right? Because we are not idiots. At Jamaica we come from, so we know how the tourist place them go. Alright? We are not idiots. Find a local place.
Yeah, we plan on taking taxi guys to go and see if we can get some local prices. Now we know the tourist thing already, you know. But in the meanwhile, we're tourists. Oh yeah, I need two of those shot glasses. Yeah.
Let's see how much for them, guys. Let's look at the price. You have free for $10. That's not bad actually. You want it?
Oh yeah, nice. Yeah. Tequila
I guess
glass,
we can
3
buy
by
3 of
10.
these.
Yeah, we could.
You like this one, guys?
Yeah, I like that one.
So this one,
Take a green one. This one is, I like this one.
yeah.
Yeah.
And the blue one.
Where's the blue? Yeah, Dom Rep. It's Rep Dom. Yeah, we can get this one.
Right down, okay.
Yeah, so get those 3.
Yeah.
The pink one is cute. Take the
Yeah, the
pink.
pink.
Yeah, man, the pink one instead of the green or orange.
You sure you want the red one?
Yes, the red, yes. I come like a
Alright, so the red one, the blue one.
yes, and
Oh, hold on.
I'm gonna put back a one here.
But I like the dual color and the sheet.
Yeah.
Cute. I like this one. So let's keep this
Let's
one.
keep that one. Put back the green one then, and take
No,
the
let's go
red.
by the blue one. I'll compromise the blue one.
Yeah.
I'll take a red one. I want to say the pink.
Yes, the pink.
Alright.
All right, that's good.
There we go.
Yeah, so we can take some
So then can't
shots.
say we never support them. Can't say that.
Go on cash.
$10? Sure.
Gracias. All right, so we have our shot glasses. Oh,
We don't
we're
have
leaving
them
it.
actually. It's no problem. My house is so beautiful.
Gracias.
One more time, guys. Come on, you're on vacation. Hola!
Hola.
Remember, please watch your step before you move. Especially now we have some monkey pregnant. Please watch your step. Guys, don't pet the monkeys. Don't grab. It's not allowed. It's not like a dog, like a cat. They may gonna bite you. And that's not funny. You're on vacation, remember? About the phone, yes, use your phone. You can take all the videos and all the pictures you want. Have fun, everybody, and relax. It's not Jurassic Park. Síganlo a él, por favor. Follow him. Remember, chicos, recuerden mirar a donde pisan todo el tiempo. No tocar a los monos.
So yes, guys, we had to remove our hoop earrings, and also Moy had to take off her fanny bag because I don't know what the monkey going to pull off the fanny bag. I can understand the hoop earrings, but
Monkeys are mischievous.
yeah. What?
There's the monkeys will kind of sing them. Yeah, that's a small one.
Yeah, just wait until we go around. Oh yeah.
Y usen su teléfono. Pueden tomar
Look,
todas las fotos que
guys. Isn't he cute?
Oh, you know, I've always wanted a pet monkey.
You really wanted one?
Yeah, I've always wanted
Hi,
one.
cutie.
I
Me
think-
too.
I think I'm gonna figure out how to get one.
Yeah, I always wanted a pet monkey and a parrot. So I have a parrot now. Now I need a monkey.
Hey guys, go ahead.
Keep with you. They're gonna give you more. Cámara.
Yeah. This is awesome. Take a picture quick.
I am. No. I'm not taking a picture. I am taking a video. Oh my god. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. He's cute. Don't freak out. He's doing something. Oh, that is so cool.
Ladies, you want to photo with my camera? You want photo with my camera? No, with my camera, I say. Yes or no? But look at me, please, one moment. Later, you're going to take your own picture. Okay, could you separate a little bit? Look at me, sweetie. Beautiful. Now you. Oh my God. Yeah, I want to. Look at me. Thank you.
Ese hombre está mal. Es muy adicto a lo que diga la gente. Rico de money, pero pobre.
Look at this. Look at that.
One more round for everybody. Una ronda más para todos.
How when the monkey was on your head?
The monkey was falling on me. Or like right here too.
You enjoy that?
Yeah. It was so sad.
Wow. What a way to express it. Satisfying. Hey, what are you eating? Huh?
I'm living my best life. Soy consciente de lo que el coro quiere, pero en mi cabeza quiero más. Si soy exitoso, más. Si soy exitoso, atraigo mujeres. Es por lo que soy, no por la plata. Ninguna.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for being careful. If you think we did a great job, it's applause for us. If you share this experience with your friends and family, and in case you wanna see our photo, we will show you in the reception, okay? His name is Diego. In case you wanna do a good comment in TripAdvisor, and my name is Albert. God bless everybody, and follow me to the exit. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Red. Same.
No blood. Okay, mashed potatoes, sweet potato.
Sweet potatoes. Looks good. That's going to take out for me. Very hot. Can you hear that noise? Oh my god. Sweet potato. You mind taking this back? Yes.
You're a very nice person, and I hope your cake tastes good.
I hope my what tastes good. My cake tastes good. Thank you, Tai Tai.
Say happy birthday to the best aunt.
Oh, wide world. All right, thank you, Stefan. Thank you. Like for real this time, this birthday has been the best ever of all the years.
That's from me to you.
Yes, this is from Brett to Shamil.
Thank you, Presky.
Por ti mi corazón palpita. Siempre he sido tu chiquita. ¿Cuántos te amos van ahorita? Yo ya perdí la cuenta. Quiero decirte que te amo. Ya van segundos y te extraño. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Entre las bromas, ay, yo lo sé, que te enamoraste y yo, bebé, real no soy perfecta, amor que me inyectas, no me dejas quitar. Soy tu bebecita.